Alrighty. Hopefully you can hear me. This is the first ride on the CBR1000RR 2009 that I swapped a 2012 engine into. Really, it's not the first ride. I mean, I rode it around after I did the swap, just a teeny bit, and then I rode it home yesterday. But this is the first, you know, going somewhere ride. So we'll start by going right, and then we'll flip back around. We'll go the other way. It is crazy how fast this thing feels. Crazy. So hunched over. Haven't been riding a sport bike in a while. Oh my God. This thing is nuts. It's like I'm in first gear. But first gear like feels like you would die. Any accidental throttle, dead. The power of this thing is just phenomenal. Handling, obviously, it feels great as well. Has brand new tires, Bridgestone S22s. They feel real sticky. This thing feels like it's on a, you know, knife's edge. Haven't tuned the suspension, haven't checked the tire pressures past when they got installed, but they got installed by a race shop, so I'm sure they set them decent. Now we'll flip a U-turn and go back up. See how it feels. Oh, it feels so good. Holy Toledo. Feels awesome. The power is scary. Not scary. It's you gotta respect it is what it feels like. Of course you do. Wow, feels so good. And this is just obviously not even pushing it. This is that was like a quarter throttle. It's funny because it's like I'm both experiencing my first good CBR1000 and the first bike I swapped an engine on. These roads are just too, like, you know, this bike's got a little more power than necessary for these roads. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. We blew a hose. We have blown a coolant hose. Just overheated as fuck. Well, thank goodness that happened where it did. So now it's finally getting hot. It was saying it was only at 175. So a hose blew off. Oh my God, completely blew off. Okay. Well, somewhat to be expected, I guess. This dumb hose clamp was hitting this part of the frame, and I just didn't really, I saw it, but I didn't really think it was stopping it. All right, well, time to limp it home, which luckily it's all downhill. To get home, I can probably do it with the bike off most of the way. And then, yeah, then we'll have to fix it. That's why you test ride. I was gonna go on a bigger ride today. I was gonna put on my race suit and go on a big ride up to Angel's Crest, but I decided to go on a shorter test ride above my house, which is good that I did, because my shit go pop. Dicey crossing the road here with no power, but here we go. So I'm just gonna freewheel it down because I can. Downhill speed challenge. Gotta keep the bike on so the headlights on. Thank goodness that hose blew off on a straight and got on my leg before going into the corner, so that I knew that, you know, problems were had, and I could you know, handle the bike accordingly. Luckily though, that wasn't coolant, that was water, distilled water with water wetter. Race bike shit. If that was coolant, who knows, that maybe would have been a lot worse. Even just me pulling over right there, the rear wheel, because the rear wheel was covered. So we'll just make a flying roll pass. My pant leg is moist. It's funny how fast you can go just rolling. I wonder if it blew off because of the thermostat not opening, or no, it definitely had gotten hot and stayed at temp. It must have just blown off because it was so high pressure going wide open throttle rips. But she's cooling off now. Probably making all the neighbors happy being a quiet boy coming down. Well, I guess that's going to conclude the first ride video. Don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to, you know, make me feel better about the coolant hose blowing off. And comment down below. I'm obviously going to check the other hoses and whatnot. And don't forget to subscribe before we take this on the big canyon rip that I plan to take it on, as well as a track day and whatnot. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for checking it out. I'm gonna try to, I guess, fix this today, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks guys, peace.